Welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to solve a problem from International Math Olympiad 1960. The problem is that this inequality is given and then we have to find the range of x for which this inequality occurred. So clearly x would be real number. So let's start with the left hand side. To simplify the left hand side, this is equal. So we here multiply with the conjugate. The conjugate of 1 minus square root of 1 plus 2x is 1 plus square root 1 plus 2x. We don't disturb the square now. So we just multiply with the conjugate on numerator and denominator and then simplify it. So this will become a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, which we can use a square minus b square whole square. And here we apply a plus b whole square and open the bracket. So this will be look like this. So 4x square and this is a plus b whole square and here is a square minus b square whole square. So let's further simplify it. So this power 2 and this power 2 will simplify and then we'll get in this form. Now take the denominator. So 1 minus 1. So this 1 cancel out. So it will be minus 2x. Numerator here 1 plus 1 plus 2x. So it will be 2 plus 2x. So further simplifications is look like this. Then simplify this, you see that this will cancel out. So we left with 2 plus 2x plus 2 square root 1 plus 2x. So the simplified form of this one is this. So next we come back to the given problem. So given that 4x square over 1 minus square root 1 plus 2x whole square is less than 2x plus 9. So from the previous slide, this is equivalent to 2 plus 2x plus 2 square root 1 plus 2x less than 2x plus 9. So now we can see from here that 2x and 2x cancel out and this 2 this become 7. So this will be 9. Now to simplify further, we take squaring both sides. We get it here 4, 1 plus 2x less than 49. And then for the simplification will gives you x less than 45 over.
Next, we have to check any lower bound for x. Since square root of 1 plus 2x is there, which is defined only if x greater than half, and at x equal, the denominator will become 0. So therefore, x cannot be 0. Finally, the range for x is from minus half to 45 over 8 except 0.